Having had an opportunity to work in the watch industry in Switzerland, I got precious experience and inspiration to create my own company, Two Stitch Straps, with a group of watch and leather crafting enthusiasts. Benefiting from a strong legacy of the local leather industry, we capitalized on that potential and built our own story.
Where young passion for traditional craftsmanship and innovative ideas meet, beautifully handcrafted leather watch straps are made. This is the story of Two Stitch Straps, a brand which gives luxury timepieces the straps that they deserve. Our passion for traditional and manual work, combined with luxury timepieces, resulted in beautifully handcrafted leather watch straps that enhance the story that each watch tells. The texture, the color, the stitching of our leather straps convey a sense of history and character, and it's a beautiful way to pay homage to the traditional craftsmanship. Our mission is to provide the highest quality watch straps available. We especially enjoy creating custom designs that are made to meet the individual needs of our clients. Every watch enthusiast should be able to feel the unique sensation that comes from having a watch and a strap that are a perfect match. At Two Stitch Straps, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality. Our products are made by hand using traditional manufacturing methods and the highest quality leathers available. Each strap is crafted with great care and attention to detail, resulting in a finished product designed to last. Our products have been recognized worldwide, and we have been providing straps to some of the most renowned watch brands in the industry.
We thank you sincerely for your interest in Two Stitch Straps. We take great pride in what we do and hope that our products bring you just as much joy as they bring to us.